Sadie's feeding me breakfast this morning because I'm laying on my side with the ice pack and I don't want to move to sit up, so she's feeding me my, what is it called?
Cinnamon strudel muffin.
Cinnamon strudel muffin. It's actually really good. It's from my Nutrisystem.
Tastes like a cinnamon bun.
Okay, I'll take that bite. Well, it's good, Sadie. Thank you. Sadie, what in the world's on your head?
My eye mask.
You sleep with one of those every night, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Do I have a lot left?
Yes.
You have to make sure you give me every crumb.
Really?
Yeah, cause all that matters. That's all mine. That's my muffin. Thank you. You look jacked up.
Thank you.
You know, it would taste good if it was heated up a little bit. Ah.
Do I go heat this big thingy?
No, but next time you choose a muffin for me. Sadie chooses my breakfast for me every day. We should probably warm it up for like 10 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Did a crumb fall on my pillow?
Don't see one.
Okay. They're a good feeder.
Thank you.
When I'm old and like 80,
Mm-hmm.
will you still feed me?
Mm-hmm.
Will you change my diaper?
Mm-hmm.
Think about that before you say yes. Think about what that entails. An 80-year-old butt needing a diaper change. You're gonna be there for me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Was that my crumb?
Mm-hmm.
Those are important. Thank you, Sadie. I think that's okay. I think it's good. Okay. One more. Little baby one. Can you go ask Dad to wash my protein shaker thing out?
Mm-hmm.
Take your eye mask. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.